We've been talking about, what happens when school placements break down. Maybe school isn't right for your child. It could be on an emotional level, a medical level, or lots of other reasons as well. But sometimes when mainstream school breaks down, um, it's really tricky to put things back in place to sort of put the child back into that provision. It could be that that provision is just not suitable. Sometimes schools aren't available that are suitable. Sometimes we know that we need something to help a child recover, and I think that seems to be a real common thread at the moment, is that children are becoming very sort of traumatized by school and traumatized by their school experiences for lots of different reasons, and we have, obviously lots of resources on that, which I won't go into this evening. But it's really, really tricky then to place a traumatized child back into an environment that traumatized them.